In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jotform account. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you typically use to browse the internet. Once you've got that up and running, you're going to want to search for Jotform. Alternatively, if you're familiar with typing out URLs, you can directly navigate to their official website by entering jotform.com in the address bar. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a button that says Sign Up, located usually at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where you get to decide how you'd like to register for your account. You have a couple of options here. You can either register using your email address and a password, or if you'd prefer a quicker process, you have the option to sign up with your Google account. This is particularly handy if you want to bypass the manual entry of an email address and password. Assuming you've chosen to sign up using an email address, go ahead and fill in the required fields with your details, ensuring that your email is one you can access easily, as this is where you'll receive your verification email. You'll also need to create a password. Make sure it's a strong one that you'll remember. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and have confirmed that everything looks good, go ahead and submit. If you're signing up via a Google account, simply select the Google option and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. This process allows Jotform to access your Google profile to quickly set up your account. After you've completed the sign-up process, the next step is crucial if you registered using your email address. You'll need to verify your email. So, head over to your inbox and look for the email from Jotform. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder just in case. This email will contain a verification link. Clicking this link will confirm that you have access to the email address you've registered with and that you are ready to go. It's just one of those standard procedures to ensure that everything is secure. For those who signed up using their Google account, you might be delighted to find out that this step can often be skipped, since Google has already provided the necessary verification. And there you have it. By following these clear and simple steps, you'll have successfully created your own Jotform account. You're now ready to explore all the great features and tools Jotform has to offer. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Jotform experience.